Welcome you all. Hello everyone. This is Ankesh and today we are going to solve a problem. Find valid matrix given row and column sums. So let's start with the question description. What question is saying? Okay, so you have given. Okay, so question is saying like you have given two array, row sum and column sum. Okay, so you have given two array named as row sum and column sum. Okay, so of non-negative integer. Okay, so these both will be non-negative for sure. Okay, so uh, where row of I is the sum of all the element in ith row. Okay, and call of sum of j is the sum of the element of the jth row in a 2D matrix. In other words, you don't know the element of the matrix, but you know the sum of each their row and column. Okay, so it is saying like you have given like some 2D matrix. You don't know the values in the 2D matrix. Like what will be the, let's say I have x1, x2, x3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will represent my column sum here, and this will represent here my row sum. So value of let's say y1 will be x1 plus x2 plus x3. Same for y2. I can say it will be x4, 5 and 6. Okay, summation of x4, 5 and 6. And for y3 the value will be summation of x7, x8 and x9. Same for here, let's say I have w1. The value will be the value will of w1 will be x1, x2, x7 submissions. Okay, same for w2 and w3. Okay, makes sense. Now find any element of non-negative integer of size, row comment, okay, that satisfy the row sum and requirements. Okay, so you have given row sum and column sum. So the length of 2D matrix will depend on this. Let's say. Here, in that case, the row sum length will be 4. The row sum length here will be 4, but the column sum length will be 3. So have to create a 2D matrix based on their row sum length and column sum length. Okay. So it is saying this. So at last I have to return a 2D array representing any matrix that fulfill the requirements. It is guaranteed that at least one of that fulfill. Okay, so it is guaranteed that we can make this matrix. There can be many possible matrix that satisfy that condition, but there will be always one matrix. Okay, okay. Okay, makes sense. So for sure, what after seeing this question, so for sure, what I am trying to find, let's say the sum of, let's say here I have y1, the sum will be this. For y2, the sum will be this. For y3, the sum will be this, and for y4, the sum will be this for sure. Can I say y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 will equal to all elements sum? Can I say that? Yes, I can. Same. For column, this will be my W1, this will be my W2, and this will be my W3. Can I say W1 plus W2 plus W3 will also equal to all elements sum? Can I say? So in that case, can I say both, both y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 will be equal to my w1 plus w2 plus w3. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So what I have to do in this question, so we have given all y1, y2, y3, y4 and w1, w2. We have to create a 2D array. We have to create a 2D array. Okay. Okay. Why satisfy that condition that these, why satisfy that condition that these column will have some w1, also while satisfying that these row will have y1 as the sum. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Same here. I have to satisfy here also y2 sum should be equal to this and y3 sum should be equal to this. So the question is, okay, okay. Let's see one example. Okay, so it is saying you are given. There is two example. What I'm explaining. Okay, let's do this and just okay. What the okay. So here I can say the size of 2D matrix will be 2 cross 2. Okay, I will have something like this. Here, the column sum here will be 4 comma 7 and here it will be 3 comma 8. Okay, okay. So here, here row sum should be like R sum should be like 3. But here column sum should be 4. Okay. So I am thinking like at max what value can I put there? Okay, so I can put value from 0 to 3. Why? Because I will never able to put 4 here. I will never able to put 4 here because it will end up um, it will end up neglecting this condition row sum. Okay, so it will like I can't put 4 there because it will never validate that condition. Okay, so at max here I can put from 0 to minimum of this comma this, it will be 3 comma 4. So I can put the value between 0 to 3. Hmm. Let's say I started here. with 3. Okay. Let's say I started with putting 3. Now. Since I have put 3 here, let me just remove and put here 3. Now for sure, this row sum will be reduced to 0. Hmm? Okay, this will be reduced to, and this will be reduced to 1 because now in this row I only want one more to become sum will be 4. Okay, so can I say here I can put 0 only? Yes, I can do this. Now 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 here at this position what I can put here, I can either put 0 or I can either put 1 because from 2 from any value between 2 to 8, if I put this, then this column sum will become greater than 1 and now my required sum is 1, so I can easily put 1 here. Okay, so now the remaining required sum here is 7, and here I also required 7, so I can simply put 7 and this will be my answer. Okay, so here are some things I'm noticing, like, okay, first of all, let's say you have to build this array, then I can make sure the value of row, these two will be equal. Hmm. So at last I can say, let's say these two value will be equal. I have used from let's say x1 will be the value, x1 will be the, from here till here we have p as a sum. So and from here to here I have p as sum. So can I say these two value will be same, like x1 minus p here will also be, let's say I have my y1 and y2 to y1, y2 will also equal to minus p. This x y2 and y1 will always be same, which simply identify when I am ending up, when I am moving forward and ended up at the last point. I can say the last column will always be satisfied. Why? Because while traversing, what I am doing here, I am taking, like, let's take an example. I have here 3 or 4. At max I can take 3. So what will I do? I will just take 3, put it here. Okay, now I will update the values here. So it will be 0, it will be 1. Now I will take minimum of what it is, 0. Okay, I can put 0. Now I move to next position. Now here I have like 8 and 1. What is minimum? It is 1. I can put it there. Okay. Then I move ahead. The value will become 79. I move ahead. For sure, what I know, this last element will always satisfy my condition. Okay, okay. Let's see what with some good example here. Let's say you have 5 row sum. In row sum you will have 5, 7, and 10, and in column sum you will 8, 6, 8. Okay, so for sure, what I can see here, the size of 2D metric will be 3 by 3. Okay, at first step, what I will do, I will take minimum of both. I am here. I will take minimum of both. The minimum of both will be 5, 5. So now the required is 3 here. 8 minus 5 will be 3, and now it is 0. Okay. So what I am doing here while moving forward, I'm always satisfying either a row condition or a column condition. Let's say here I satisfy my row condition. Hmm. So again, I will take 0 comma 3, but what will be the minimum? 0 comma 6 here. What will the minimum? 0. 0 comma 8. What will be the minimum? 0. Now. I have 7 comma 3. What will be the minimum? The minimum is 3. So I can easily put 3 here, or I can say now the required is 0, and now here the required is 4. So in this case I have satisfied my column condition, and previously here I have satisfied my row condition. Okay, so again, 4 and 6. Okay, the minimum is 4. I can put 4. Now the requirement is 0, and here the requirement is 2. Okay, so 0 comma 8, the requirement is 0 always. Okay, so while I move ahead, I have 10, comma 0. The requirement, the minimum is 0. I have 10 comma 2. So the minimum is 2. Okay, I can add 2 here and make 8 as a requirement. So here I have 8 and 8. The minimum is 8, and I can just put it here easily. So for sure, what I know here, this will be my final answer. Okay, okay. The code for this will something look like this. Okay, so here what I am doing is I'm just taking the row length and column length that says nmm, and I have created 2D array and mark every element as 0. Okay, I have marked every element as 0 initially. While moving forward, what I am doing, I am traversing through all the element of this 2D array. Okay, okay. Uh, here, I will first find the minimum of both um, call sum or row sum. Okay, let's say whoever the minimum, I will just decrease the value from them. Here I take both those value. I will take the minimum of the called value, or I have added this to my current element, or I will decrease the value from both row and column array. After moving through all the position in an array, I can just return array. Okay, so for this, the time complexity will be around, it's of n cross m, and the space complexity will be of 1 if we are not taking like answer in my space complexity, and if we are taking, then the space complexity also m cross n or n cross. Okay, makes sense. Now my question is, can we improve this? Because here what I am doing is, because let's say here what I am doing is, I am traversing. So here what I'm doing is, I'm traversing this for no reason, because even though I need to because like, even though I don't have here the required parameter to fill these two values. Okay, in so simply, in simple words, I can say, in row sum, the required is 0 for sure. What I know, I will never be putting any values in this another than 0. So can I skip this? My question is, okay. So what I can do is, whenever my row sum is equal to 0, can I just move ahead to my next row? Okay, let me just see. I have here I have the same example: 5, 1, 10, 8, 6, 8. Okay, okay, I have the same example here. Okay, so let's say, at first, I have these two, then I have these two, then I will have these two. Okay, at first I have 5 and 8. For sure, I can maximum put 5 here. Okay, now, now, since my required row is 0, I can simply say these all have the value 0, because row required sum is 0. Can I say that? Yes. For okay, so for this, can I make two pointer I and j, and where I is representing my row, and whenever row sum of I will become 0, can I just increment my I? Yes, I can. I can. Okay. No. Also, I have to make sure it is here. Now, I have 7 and 3. So, it will become 4. The minimum is 3 and it will become 0. Else, else, when my column sum, column sum of j become 0. So, can I just increment my j? Now, I have to put element there. I don't need to put any element there also. Can I say this? Here also I don't need to put previously. Here also I don't need to put. Here also I don't need to put any element. Okay. Now I have 4 and 6. I have 4 here filled. So it will become 2. It will become 0. So can I say I don't need to put any element here? Yes. Or I can just do I plus 1. So it will become here. Okay. Now I have 10 comma 0. I don't need to put element. I can move ahead. I have 10 2. Sorry, I am here. So I have 10 2. What is minimum? It is 2. So I will just do this. Now I have no. Since my um, column sum being become 0, I can just do j plus 1, which means I move ahead. And now it is at 8. I will just put now I my also R sum will be 0. My column sum will be 0, which means I plus 1 or j plus 1 will be out of the loop. I will be here. So how I'm moving? I'm moving from here to here, then here to here, then here to here, then here to here. So I am not traversing these all elements. Does it make sense? Yes. So how will I do this? Let's see the code here. Okay. So here is the code for this. Same. I have created the 2D array. Okay, where every element in this is 0. Okay, okay. Now I have two variable I and j, where I is for my rows and j is for my columns. Okay, so while I is less than n and j is less than m, I'm traversing. So answer of I comma j here. Let's say here I will have the minimum of this comma this row sum of I and row sum of I and call sum of j. I will put the minimum here. Then I will subtract whatever value we get here. Let's say I will have get the value. I will subtract here in call sum, and I will also subtract in row sum. Okay, this is what I am doing here. Now I will check whether my row sum or 0, or or my call sum is 0. I will check whether these from these two will be. If my row is 0, I will just move to another row. This is what I am doing here. And if my column sum is 0, I will just move ahead to next column here. After traversing, after doing all the necessary things, I will end up to be out of bound, so I can easily return answer. For this, the time complexity can at max can be m cross n, and space complexity will be of 1 if we are not taking answer in my space complexity, and in best case the time complexity here will be m plus n also. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Let me just submit for you. Okay, I have written this code also. So let me just run mm, and submit for you. Okay, it is working. So thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.